This is educational content only, not medical or financial advice. Always consult your doctor and financial advisor. Chapter 1. Framework Overview. High performers don't chase hype protocols. They identify precise mechanisms that quietly compound across cellular, cognitive, and capital domains. Today, researchers reveal the 16-to-8 eating window protocol, not as another diet trend, but as a daily metabolic discipline forge that researchers have now linked to measurable increases in autophagic flux, preserved executive circuitry, and transferable self-regulation that high performers quietly protect with the same intensity they guard their highest conviction positions. This protocol stands out because it creates repeatable boundary practice that mirrors the exact neural demands of high-stakes capital decisions, offering a rare dual benefit for health span and net worth trajectory. Investors and executives often note that the mental clarity gained from consistent window adherence translates into sharper market timing, better risk assessment during volatile periods, the patience required for long-term compounding strategies that most people abandon too early, and the ability to stay calm when others panic sell or over-leverage. Chapter 2. Mechanism Deep Dive. Let us begin inside the mechanism. The 16-to-8 protocol creates a precise 8-hour eating window paired with a 16-hour fasting period. At the 16th hour, the metabolic shift deepens, and autophagy processes activate in orchestrated waves. According to a 2025 exploratory analysis published in the Journal of Physiology, individuals randomized to intermittent time-restricted eating for 6 months demonstrated a statistically significant increase in autophagic flux measured directly in peripheral blood mononuclear cells compared with standard care controls. The difference emerged clearly by month 6 and was partly driven by the tendency for autophagy to decline in those eating without temporal boundaries. The signaling pathway operates with elegant precision. Nutrient scarcity elevates AMPK phosphorylation while inhibiting mTOR activity. This dual shift upregulates core autophagy markers, including LC32, Beclin-1, and ATG proteins. A comprehensive narrative review in Current Nutrition Reports from 2025 synthesizes how this conserved axis orchestrates cellular resilience, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced hepatic lipid accumulation, mitigation of neurodegenerative processes, and efficient clearance of damaged protein aggregates across metabolically active tissues. Fat oxidation rises steadily, growth hormone pulses strengthen in the later fasting hours, and inflammatory tone gently recalibrates, all without any requirement for calorie counting or aggressive restriction. High performers often report sustained energy and mental clarity once the body adapts to this rhythm, making it easier to maintain during busy travel, social schedules, or high-stress quarters where consistency is the true edge. And many combine it with morning movement for even greater metabolic synergy, improved recovery, and the foundation for sustained high performance without burnout. Chapter 3. Cognitive Longevity Layer and Forge Framework. The same protocol extends its reach into cognitive longevity. Neuroimaging research in males with metabolic syndrome using 1-month early time-restricted eating revealed coordinated improvements in memory, processing speed, and executive function. Fractional anisotropy increased in the left anterior thalamic radiation and bilateral corticospinal tracts, while surface-based morphometry showed targeted adjustments in the right dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. Mediation analysis confirmed these structural shifts directly supported delayed recall gains. Additional pilot data in older adults with mild cognitive impairment using a 15-9 variant over 12 weeks reported statistically significant MoCA total score gains versus controls, with particular strength in attention and verbal recognition memory domains. These findings suggest the protocol helps maintain the sharp decision-making edge that translates directly into better investment timing, more disciplined portfolio rebalancing, the ability to stay patient during market drawdowns where most people react emotionally and lock in losses, clearer strategic thinking when evaluating long-term opportunities, and the mental stamina to review complex financial models or negotiate deals with sustained focus. Here is the materially new synthesis high performers quietly operationalize: the Metabolic Discipline Forge Framework. The daily act of honoring the closing of the 16-8 window functions as deliberate, repeatable prefrontal boundary training. Resisting the late evening snack impulse activates the identical dorsolateral prefrontal and anterior cingulate circuits that govern resisting an impulsive market entry, a lifestyle creep purchase, or premature portfolio rebalancing. Each sealed window becomes a micro-session in delayed gratification. The cellular cleanup processes mirror the disciplined pruning of underperforming positions. The metabolic switch from glucose to ketones parallels the mental shift from reactive to strategic capital allocation. Researchers studying self-regulation during structured fasting windows have documented measurable gains in inhibitory control. The 16-8 protocol supplies exactly this structured daily repetition at the precise intensity that strengthens executive circuitry. The discipline elements that emerge from the cleaned cellular environment weave directly into branching executive decision pathways and then into compounding wealth portfolio lines. The Discipline Forge Index rises in sync with both cellular repair markers and simulated portfolio growth curves, demonstrating the parallel compounding effect in real time. This framework creates dual compounding loops, where improved autophagic efficiency supports sharper decision stamina, which in turn supports better capital allocation consistency over decades, turning small daily choices into generational advantages that most people never access because they lack the daily practice ground for patience, consistency, and emotional regulation under scarcity. Chapter 4: Actionable Implementation. Implementation remains elegantly straightforward and flexible. Most high performers align the 8-hour window from approximately 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., preserving morning metabolic flexibility and aligning the longest fast with natural overnight repair. Begin with a 14-10 or 12-12 bridge week if needed. The body adapts rapidly. Hydration, electrolytes, and black coffee or tea remain fully compatible during the fasting phase. Track 2 simple leading indicators: subjective energy stability after week 2 and the Discipline Forge Index proxy, your ability to defer non-essential purchases or decisions with greater ease. Adjust the window by 30 minutes only after 4 weeks of consistent adherence. Consider social and travel flexibility by shifting the window by 1 hour on specific days while maintaining the core 16-hour fast. Many executives use the morning fasted state for deep work or high-stakes meetings, leveraging the natural focus boost that accompanies metabolic flexibility. To overcome common objections like, "What about dinner with clients?" simply choose the window that fits your lifestyle while protecting the core fasting duration, and many find that the mental clarity gained actually improves conversation quality, negotiation outcomes, and overall presence, while the protocol remains adaptable to different lifestyles without sacrificing the core benefits. Chapter 5. Next Steps. When the 16-to-8 protocol becomes non-negotiable infrastructure, two compounding engines run in parallel. Cellular repair accelerates while prefrontal stamina strengthens. The result is a measurable expansion of both health span and decision quality runway, the true dual asset optimization high performers pursue. The window closes tonight. The autophagy processes begin their shift. The discipline threads begin their quiet weave into tomorrow's executive choices and next decade portfolio trajectory. This is how the 16-to-8 eating window protocol quietly compounds cellular repair, cognitive longevity, and wealth discipline, one aligned day at a time. This is educational content only, not medical or financial advice. Always consult your doctor and financial advisor. If the Metabolic Discipline Forge Framework resonates with your current edge-building phase, drop your planned eating window start time in the comments, or simply type FORGE if you are implementing this protocol this week. Your input helps the channel surface more precise, high-signal frameworks for the entire Longevity Wealth Lab community. Subscribe and enable notifications. The next protocol that bridges another overlooked crossover is already in production. Until then, protect the window, honor the alignment, and let both your cells and your capital compound with precision.